afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for March 1st. I can't believe it's March already. March 1st, 2017. It's about 7 minutes after the close. We just had a great session on the Simpler Stocks gold side. So today was all about a little nervousness into Trump talking tonight in front of Congress. Yeah, the ES is finally down 575. You had the NASDAQ down 15. And the Russell on its low down 23 balloons, and we'll go over that in a minute. You had the bonds unchanged, notes getting hit down about 12 ticks. You had, and brace yourself for this, the first time in 13 sessions the Dow Jones has been down a whopping 25 points. Oh my goodness, the sky is falling. You have the transports down 54, gold down 9, silver down, crude oil down, dollar up. Very unusual day in here. You had the advanced decline down about 700. That's where they 7 to 900. That's where they resided most of the day. The interesting thing was the UVXY, that it refused to buckle. Usually when the market has any kind of uptick, you see a slight uptick not a slight uptick, you watch the UVXY get pounded. As you see in here, the ES is on the left, slowly coming back at the end of the day. Just barely coming back, but the UVXY closing on its high for the day, showing a lot of nervousness in the overall market. The idea in here is that everybody worries that he's going to disappoint on his speech. That's number one. So just keep that in mind. You had the DE Dow, the German DAX up fractionally today, and the Chinese market up fractionally. Nikkei down all of $20. Nothing, 20 points. You had the put call ratio still very low. You had some massive moves in a lot of the commodities today, up and down. Very interesting to watch these moves in soybeans on the right. This is what a ledge is. When it breaks there, you're short. Just unbelievable on how those happen in here. So where does this get us with the market? Well, number one in here, I want you to realize that the ESs have had one day down. It does not make a trend. That's number one. Number two, on Simpler Stocks, on the premium side, on the video, and also in the email alerts that we do every night, I was showing a chart of how the ES is away from its 20 simple moving average. It's about the farthest it's been away from it in a while. A lot of times what that causes, and let me show you on a daily chart. I'm now going to take off a bunch of things in here. And as you can see, when it usually gets this far away, it reverts back to the mean. Doesn't mean a big old sell-off. It just means reverse back to the mean. So just keep that in mind, that I'm watching that very closely in here on how that works. So that's why I thought we'd get a little pause in the market. The idea is there are a lot of indexes that haven't totally broken down whatsoever. NASDAQ, I'll tell you right now, staying within a range. The biggest thing that we have to watch the next couple of days is the action of the Russell. Closing right on its low for the day, right at the lower band that it's been in the last month. But it's oversold. Every time it gets oversold, it seems to have some miraculous bounce. Let's see what happens tomorrow. To let you know, we still have the 7-day, 30-day trial. That includes the chat room. I'm on from 9 to 10 in the morning every day. Being able to go over ideas and strategies before the opening, then implement them afterwards. Premium video, a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now. The email alerts. Every day I put out at least 6 stock or index futures charts, because I think the overall market is very important to have an overall market perspective. From there, I do stock trades and chart ideas. Luckily today, for the first time in 2 weeks, I put out a lot of short ideas. Unusual option activity, I'm now posting in the premium video so I could go over it in more in depth. We also have a forum where it's a message board type of way to communicate between subscribers and with me, and a meetup. Every other week, we do a learning video that is free. Right now, we're doing them all on feel, using correlations, how to wiggle, not twerk, but how to wiggle and keep with the strategy. Every one is between 20 minutes and an hour. And I'm telling you right now, we have tremendous amount of positive feedback on them. And like I said, they're free as long as you're a subscriber. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining me, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Take care.